In temperature assessments for applications like roof inspections and firefighting, traditional methods face challenges in cost, efficiency, and safety, relying on expensive manned aircraft with lengthy scheduling processes. These methods struggle in hazardous environments and lack agility for large area inspection, presenting cost and time constraints, safety concerns, and inefficiencies. Drone thermal cameras offer a transformative solution, enhancing cost efficiency by eliminating the need for expensive manned aircraft. Certified drone pilots equipped with thermal cameras provide rapid deployment, offering real-time data within minutes, bypassing scheduling complexities. Thermal drones enhance safety by enabling inspections in hazardous environments while keeping pilots at a safe distance. Futr Audit introduces a comprehensive solution for temperature assessments through drone thermography, offering fixed mounts and attachable payloads for flexibility. Dual sensors seamlessly combine regular RGB cameras with infrared sensors, facilitating toggling between optical and thermal imaging. High-resolution thermal capabilities, 336 by 256 and 640 by 512, ensure detailed images for precise analysis. Gimbal stabilization guarantees smooth footage, and radiometric functionality provides precise temperature readings. Customizable lens focal lengths, 13 mm or 19 mm, offer varied magnification and angles of view, catering to diverse inspection requirements. Transmission frequency options of 9 or 30 Hz provide flexibility in video feed quality. Futr Audit, drone thermography stands as a comprehensive solution for businesses seeking transformative temperature assessments.